Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanna tell you about BGP redundant router reflector. This is same with the other BGP but make a different. This is the mean like redundant with the router reflector. So okay, come on, move to the application. Okay, usually I use the GNS3 for this application, so we can make the topology like in this video. But if you want to making other topology, that's up to you, because the topology is not important to same with me or anything, but you can be warning for the network, or I mean like the cable, the port number. So we can start first for the turn on the port with click like a button on the like taskbar. That's so we can click yes. So the port change, the color is green. This is have turned on but cannot to be connect because I have not to configure. So if you want to configure, you can double click in the router or click left and choose the feature configure. So this is I'm sorry for my mistake. This is we can waiting until the terminal is I mean like that. So we can click enter until we find it the terminal for configuration like this. Okay, so if you want to enter or I mean like enter the terminal, you must type is configure terminal, so can get IP for port FS0/0. This is I give the IP is 17.1 because the port is number 1. So don't forget to enter the loopback. The loopback for a router number 1 is 60.60/32. Okay, we can waiting. Okay, if that's finished, we can change the other router same with the configuration with the router number 1. Okay, this is still loading. Okay, enter and don't forget to type configure terminal for enter the configure. So same with the configure with the router number 1. Okay, in here for the router fast Ethernet 0/0 is connect to router number 1, so I'm making the IP address is 17.2, and then forget to enter subnet mask from 20.0. Then forget to enter the interface loopback for this router is 7.7/32. And don't forget to enter the IP for router number 3 port for connect to number 3, and don't forget to type the no SH. This means like no shutdown. No shutdown, this is for turn on the port or making the functional is can be functional, yeah, I mean like that. So this is number 1 because this is port number 1 when come to the router number 3. So don't forget to enter the interface loopback. So move to the configure router number 3, same with the configure router number 2, making different just IP or like interface loopback, just making a different. Okay, we can waiting until, oh yeah, don't forget to always no shutdown if you after making the IP address, because this is for turn on the port or making functional is true. So this is 18.2 because this is port number 2 and connect to the route number 2, and this is when connect to router number 4 and the IP is 90.1. The subnet mask for the port connect to router, this is /24, but for IP router that's like /32 or like perfect prefix 32. So don't forget to enter the interface loopback. Okay, because the interface loopback, it's important to configure BGP router reflector. Router number 4, the configure same with the router number 1 because yeah, I mean like the other just one port to connect to router number 3. And don't forget to making IP address is 19.2 because this is port number 2 for connect to router number 3. Don't forget to interface loopback. This is bad mask because I mean like there is the typo and I want to type again. I'm sorry for my mistake. So I want to look first for checking in the router number 3. Maybe I making mistake in here, but when I look there is no my mistake. So I back to router number 4 and I try again to type the interface loopback. I try again, and okay, this is maybe can click enter. Okay, can. Okay, so move to the router number 1 again for making router BGP, redundant and router reflector. Let's move to the router number 1. So after that, okay, we can type the router RIP. This is for making BGP redundant and router reflector for the connect the other network, the different network too. So enter the network from port and the IP router. So after that, enter the router BGP. That's for the number, that's up to you, but in here I use the 1 2 and 3 1 2 3 and 4. And don't forget to enter the NIC board, the B side from this router, because we want to remote as this. The number is up to you, but all of remote as is must be same. And forget to update search. This is L0. We don't know one. This is not 10, but L0. So enter the NIC board for 2, 7, and 9, because we want to remote the all of router, right? So enter the all of IP. Okay, so after that, we enter the NIC board number 9.9. Maybe this IP from router number 4. Okay, we can change the IP first. Okay, this is interface loopback 1 for the, this is making the router redundant. So now in here I get the IP is 20.20. And don't forget to enter the net router BGP 1 2 3 4, and don't forget to enter the network. So after that, we can move the router number 2 and making the configure same with the router number 1. Then here there is no different. Okay, so enter the router RIP again and enter the 2 IP port, and don't forget to enter the IP router. This is, you can configure same with me, but you can change the IP, that's up to you. So don't forget to enter router BGP 1 2 3 4 and NIC board. Now this is NIC board. We know in the router number 2, so we cannot, if not just cannot, but we don't configure for this router, because we cannot to remote our server, right? I mean like that. So with that like remote with the other server. So enter the other IP for we want to remote all. Okay. Enter that. Don't forget to enter the other IP. So in here for the router number 1 and router number 4, this is we want to make the remote client, router reflector client. In this video, the router number 1 and 4, this is router reflector, and 2 and number 3 is router redundant. Yeah. So in the first video for this router, I forgot to tell you about the function or the different for this configure. So after this, we can move to the router number 3 for this configuration. Same with the router number 3. Don't forget to make router number 1 and router number 4 the router reflector client, because I mean like that, because in here router number 1 and router number 4 we want to make the reflector client, and the router number 2 and 3, this is for router redundant. Enter the network from this IP port, connect to the other router and IP router. Don't forget to enter the router BGP. Remote as, this is remote as the functional for remote other router, guys. Okay, don't forget to type this because this is important. Okay. After this, don't forget to enter IP snakeboard. This is snakeboard, the IP for we want to remove. This is usually IP for the other router, yes, not my router in we want to configuration. We cannot to enter without enter. And make the reflector client for router number 1 and number 4. If we have to configure router number 3, we can make the router number 4. And the router number 4 same with the configure router number 1. There's no difference, just making difference is IP port and router IP. And same with the router number 1. Okay guys, this is for the remote or update search L0. This is, you can remote the other router and the other network. We can to enter and okay, that's enough for the configuration router redundant. Okay, we can test ping with this is connect or not, successful or not. We can ping to IP router, other IP router. You can enter the like router number 2, 3, 4. If like this, the result of or the reason, this is success. Okay guys, we must to try this is success or not. Okay, if have like this is has successful, so we can try the other router. Maybe we can try it. I want to try in the router number 2. We can ping to router number 1 or not, 3 and 4, but I want to look at this. It is successful. And okay, same with the other router maybe. And okay guys, maybe that's enough, and thank you for watching. Bye bye.